Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. So I'm home now, and the van is still in the same state it was when I pulled in the driveway, because I'm leaving tomorrow on another adventure with my granddaughter and my friend Susie with her two boys. So we're going to go van camping with the kids, and I have to make a few modifications in the van. Let's check it out now to see the current state of affairs, and then I'll let you know how I'm going to modify it, and then I'll do a little video on what that looks like at the end. I left it pretty much the way I came home because I knew I would be leaving again in a few days. The only thing I've taken out are my clothes and my trunk organizer. You know, I carry my clothes in that, and then my refrigerator. So let's see back here. Everything's actually still tied in. I'm gonna leave it this way pretty much, except for these things right here are gonna have to go because I have to put the seat up for my granddaughter's car seat. So anyhow, as you know, she sleeps in the front seat here, and it goes all the way back. I'll show you how that's gonna go. All this is gonna have to be removed, but this was, I've been looking for this. This is my horn coral. I'm so happy about this. I have been looking for this. I am thrilled. Isn't that awesome? It's called a horn coral. I'm so happy right now. All right. Anyhow, those were my snacks. I didn't bring anything in, so this is the way I left my car, like I said, when I got home, and I'm gonna have to just do a little bit of modifying. So basically everything will stay the same here, except the rear quarter seat will go up right here, and all that stuff you see at the end, the food bin, the coffee pot, and the water will go down in the trunk area over there. And her clothes will go in my bin. Everything, when I bring her, fits underneath the bed here, right in that space in my drive trunk organizer. And as you can see, there's nothing in here more than what I had before. I'll probably bring a little extra kitty litter and stuff for the toilet, because I think we will use it. It's going to be chilly at night, and I don't know if I'll want to get out and traipse to the bathroom at the campground, but I'll be bringing this heater, and I will be bringing another heater for my friend Susie and her boys, so we don't freeze at nighttime. I'm all about utilizing land power when I can. I only freeze my can off when I'm at places and I don't have land power. Alrighty, well anyhow, I'm gonna get to modifying the van and get it ready for my granddaughter, so I'm gonna take care of that stuff now. I'll be back in a little bit, and then we'll see what it looks like when I'm all through. All right, well, all this has to come out in the rear end of the van here, and I've got to turn this utility carpet around the other direction so I can pull up this chair here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okie dokie, the seat's up, and it will stay up for the remainder of our trip. Her car seat will go there. Again, she's only 6 years old, so of course we have to always be safe and a booster, and that's that. So this chair stays up the whole time, and you see all those crumbs? Those are the types of things that drive me bananas, and that's why we always have one of these on hand, because we can clean, and I like to clean. So let me get this cleaned out, and I'll be back. Okay, alrighty, we're all cleaned out, and if you're interested, this is the little vacuum that I use for my car. And again, it's not like super duper powerful, because it's just a little 12 volt, and I can, you know, run it in my vehicle, and it didn't cost that much money, but it does a really nice job. Alright, I'm gonna get the stuff back in here, and I've got to get my carpets back in. I pulled these out, I have to shake them out. And again, this is why I love these types of little rugs. You can shake them out. That's the best part. You can keep your van clean, your car or your SUV or whatever you got going. You just keep it clean and shake out those rugs. I'm gonna just get this van all situated, and then I'll be back and show you what we got going on. All right, catch you in a little bit. All right, just about all done here. Clemence will sleep up here, and this is just the front passenger seat folded all the way down. I have an Afghan on the bottom. I have a quilt, a heavy quilt. This is like I think it's a full or a queen, and I have it like folded several times. It gives it weight on here, and it's very padded. And her sleeping bag, this is her favorite sleeping bag. Now her pillow obviously isn't here, but it goes right inside her sleeping bag right here, and it stays on just fine. We don't have any issues with that. So I've got down here, just so you know, let me explain something to you. I've got my camping pillows here that make up the space for the front seat up here. So they might not be perfect at the moment, but when we get to our location, I just did this for you guys real quick. I get them all straightened out perfect, so it's perfectly flat and everything for her, and she's really comfortable up here. So this is for a child or a very small adult, but it works out perfectly. It's a great place to have someone sleep, and I bet if you made a platform to go along here, probably out to here with a couple legs, something that would be foldable, you could put that right over this, right here, and this could be another sleeping area for a person. As long as that thing could fold up and be put away during the day. I thought about that a few times. As she gets older, we're gonna have to figure something out. So, I don't know, my husband's pretty crafty. I'll have him make me something. So during the day, all I do is I take all this bedding and I fold it over once and I fold it over twice, and it just sits right here in the front seat. I don't do anything else with it because I don't have any use for this space up here. So her bedding just stays here and her pillow goes on top, and when it's bedtime, I just put the seat back down and I roll everything back out. It works out just perfectly. So her clothes will go under here where I keep my drive trunk organizer. Everything's gonna go into one bin, and it'll be under there. She'll have a couple toys that she brings. You know, we talked about that before. You know, she's a little kid. She likes her stuff. So she does bring a bag of toys and her favorite stuffies. And this is her area. And I just deal with it. You know, sometimes it, you know me, guys, I like everything in its place. So I just have to deem this her place, and it's okay. I love taking her with me. She enjoys coming, so we just work together very well, and she keeps her stuff nice and tidy, like Nina likes it. And that's that. So everything is in its place. This is how we will sleep on our adventure. Let's go back here. This is how I have it packed up back here. This is my RV mat, and I will put that down this time because I believe I have a sandy, like dirt, not really dirt, but grassy spot, so that'll help keep the entrance to the van cleaner. Her chair is there. My chair is behind this table. It's that red thing right there. It's between the bed and the table. That's my chair. You can see I'm bringing my Keurig once again. I've got water, and I will bring one more water because I'm bringing company this time. And I will not need my bamboo tray that goes on my steering wheel, so I'm not bringing that. But these are the things I am bringing. I brought more paper simply because I've got kids and they kind of eat all day, and that's fine. Couple fresh towels. I'll probably grab another green canister of propane because this one's just about empty, and it's going to be chilly out, so maybe we'll be making a lot of hot chocolate. I just want to be prepared. And my stove will be here, but here's the thing. I can't really open this now because that table's in the way, but this is too close to this, so this will not be able to stand fully up like it normally does. Whenever I bring Clements with me, it has to be pushed over more, and I'm just able to get my stove out, and then I either put my stove here or on that table there that I have set out here. And you can see my paracord is still connected, and I will make sure I tie everything in nice and tight. It's my cleaning spray. So yeah, here's my paper towel holder all hung up. I just use hair ties, pull them around the bars, and then hook these onto the hair ties because the bars are a little bit wider than these here, so than the hooks. But anyhow, that's been working out fabulous. Okay, I won't need any of my summer shoes. It's pretty chilly out. I'm just going to bring these rubber boots in case I decide to go down by the water and look for rocks, and I'll always have my hiking shoes and probably some tennis shoes or something like that. But anyways, my Reflectix are here as usual. This is the one that goes in the windshield. I did bring a sleeping bag. It's underneath because I will need it this time. I'm going to bring Clemens' flashlight because she loves that. So we're going to put that here. As you can see, I moved my tool belt that used to be on the other side of the passenger seat there, but it's kind of it hangs too low and it kind of gets in the way. So for this trip, it'll just stay here. There's a few things that I have to change when I bring my granddaughter, but we work it out and I don't mind a bit. I don't mind changing things or, you know, making it work for the both of us. She cannot wait to go. She's actually so irritated that she has to go to school on Thursday. But she's gonna miss Friday. So we're trying to get her to understand, well, we gotta be responsible. So I will pick her up a little bit early from school, and then we'll head out to the campground and meet our friends. But anyhow, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this setup. When I take her, it's really comfortable and we enjoy it so much. She enjoys it, I enjoy it. I'm just so thankful that I can do this with her. I've got just a few more things to bring in the van. Of course, my refrigerator goes here, down here. But when she's sleeping, I'm going to put the refrigerator back there up on my kitchen, and it works out perfectly. So that's where my refrigerator is going to go during the evening. And yeah, super easy move there. All right, you guys, I will catch you in a little bit. I gotta head in and do a few more things, and I'll see you later. All right, until then.